Yes, Honorable Gani. What is happening? Can you check? Yes. No, just check the other one there. Order. That one is it working? That one is it working? Order. On the level where you can use the one which is working. Order. Yes, you can use that one on the level.
Thank you very much, Mr. Speaker. Thank you.
Hello, Honorable Minister, most of the adjournment for the debate on the vice motion. Honorable members, there are two issues here. Honorable members, honorable leader, honorable members, what are you voting for? Honorable members, honorable members, order. Two issues. Honorable boss, two issues. Two issues as recent here. There was a motion on the impeachment, and the leaders requested that we adjourn this motion with the reasons he has given. Everybody is getting time to contribute. So, be guided, honorable members, because the leader has moved the motion on adjournment. Allow me, honorable members, to do what to do, then allow you time and you participate, period. Honorable members, nobody can take orders here, honorable leader, and you know that you are a leader. Honorable members, whereas, yes. Honorable members, whereas, and you know this is very critical. It has raised a very critical issue, which as health. It is true, all of us, we do accept that the motion has come for the removal of our deputy governor. Leader. Are you waiting? No, honorable leader. Honorable leader. Honorable Molaja. Honorable Molaja. Honorable Molaja. Honorable Ismail. Yes. Can you allow me to do my work? Yes. And I will give you time to contribute. That's what I'm asking. So listen. Honorable members, as I've said, everybody is going to contribute over this, but we must dispense the issue of the leader which he has raised. And that is the procedure. Honourable members, standing order number 60, subsection 4, states that upon the expiry of 7 days after